In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT to generate a professional SEO-optimized article outline in a full draft. First, I'm defining a clear persona for the AI as an expert writing assistant that avoids fluff and prioritizes genuine value for the reader. ChatGPT responds by establishing its core writing principles, such as focusing on search intent, using clear subheadings, and maintaining a natural, human-like tone throughout the text. Next, I'll ask it to create a detailed outline for the keyword social media tips for small businesses, specifically requesting a compelling headline and a logical flow. The AI provides a structured roadmap that breaks down complex topics into digestible sections, including advice on audience engagement and choosing the right social platforms. Now, I'll prompt ChatGPT to turn that entire outline into a full, in-depth article that includes practical real-world examples and concise, actionable advice. It generates a comprehensive piece that feels both authoritative and approachable, successfully hitting all the key SEO requirements while keeping the reader's interest. To wrap things up, I'm asking for a summary of the specific improvements made to the headers and the overall flow to ensure the final content is as impactful as possible. This collaborative process allows me to create high-ranking content quickly while maintaining total control over the final structure, tone, and style. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.